Hi, guys. This is a guide on how to convert video to GIF. Here is the tool we need to use. It's completely free. Just launch any video converter. Then you will find that the GIF Maker tool has been added to the toolbar, which is the new version upgrade. Click here, it will automatically open a folder. Here you can choose to convert images to GIF or convert videos to GIF. The footage we chose this time is an MP4 file about two broke girls. After the video is uploaded, first adjust the size and speed of the video. Then add text to the video and adjust the text size. After everything is set, click Start. Then you can view the output GIF file. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.